for people who just lost somebody. Your best friend, your baby, your man or your lady. Put your hand way up high. We won't ever say bye. No, no, no. Mamas, daddies, sisters, brothers, friends and cousins. This is for my people who lost their grandmothers. Lift your hand to the sky, 'cause we won't ever say bye. As a child, there were them times I didn't get it, but you kept me in line. I didn't know I didn't show up sometimes on Sunday mornings, and I missed you. But I'm glad we talked through all them grown folk things separation brings. You never let me know it, you never let it show, because you loved me and obviously there's so much more left to say. If you were with me today, face to face, never knew I could hurt like this. And every day life goes on. I wish I could talk to you for a while. Wish you better try not to cry as time goes by. And it's true that you reached a better place. Still I give the world to see your face. And I'm right here next to you, but it's like you're gone too soon. Now the hardest thing to do is say bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, bye. And you never got a chance to see how good I've done. And you never got to see me back at number one. I wish that you were here to celebrate together. I wish that we could spend the holidays together. I remember when you used to tuck me in at night with a teddy bear you gave me that I held so tight. I thought you were so strong you'd make it through